We are looking for a React engineer trainee to join our team in Pune. The ideal candidate should have a strong foundation in web development, encompassing HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and MySQL, with a specialization in JavaScript. Familiarity with frameworks like Next.js and Tailwind, as well as experience with version control tools such as Git, is a must. A solid grasp of fundamental architectural principles in web development and exceptional problem-solving abilities are crucial for success in this role. The selection process includes shortlisting, interviews, and issuance of offer letters, followed by a probation period of around 6 months, offering a competitive salary of 50,000 rupees CTC per month. The anticipated start date for this position is July 2024. Interested candidates can apply through the provided link. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.